Hi guys, so today's question is medium level complexity question. That is the number of laser beams in a bank. And this is, let me take to a description of the problem. So these are anti-theft security devices are activated inside a bank. You are given a zero index binary string array bank representing the floor plan of the bank, which is an M into 2D matrix. It is a string array, but it is given in the form of the 2D matrix, where bank I represent the ith row consisting of zeros and ones. Means the empty cell, 0 means the empty cell, and 1 means the security devices. There is one laser beam between the two security devices. Okay, so this is the string array. 0 means it is empty, and 1 means these are laser beams between them. And the condition is given, there is one lesser beam between and two security devices. If both conditions are met, two devices are located on two different rows. Okay, then two devices must be located like these three devices, and these are separate. And for second condition is for each row I, where r1 is less than r2, means it should be less than r2. There is no security devices in the ith row. Okay, so if there is no security devices, then if this row is empty, if you can see, then this row is this beam directly connects to this to this, means every beam will connect to every other beam in the next row, provided the this row is empty. If this row is not empty, if there is one laser beam in this row also, then all these three laser beams will connect to this beam. So you have to calculate the total number of laser beams in the bank. So this beam can connect to this and this. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Answer will be 8. Okay, and these laser beams can't connect to the other laser beam because in the next row is empty. You do not need to log the previous row, only the next row. So very simple solution I have found it. So first I have counted the number of ones in each row when stored in the array list. In first in I have iterated a loop in the bank string array and stored in the word, and after iterating to the word, and the number of ones comes, like in the first row the number of ones is 3, and this is 0, this is 2, and this is 1. Okay, after calculating the number of one and storing in the array list, I have iterated the array list, and I have found the answer. The answer will be of array will be 3021, because in first row is three ones, zero ones in the second row, two ones, and one ones. Yes, one ones. What I have do, if the next row is empty, I have done nothing. The loop will come in else. There is no else, but it will not break. And if list of get I into list of get j, that is 3 into 0 is greater than 0, this is not greater than 0, then the j will again increment, again it will come to 2, then 3 into 2 is greater than 0, and this I will store in sum. So 3 into 2 is 6, I will store in the sum, and it will break the loop because it has found its laser beam, which is not empty, a laser beam row which is not empty. And then I will then the I will increment. 0 into 2 is 0, it will not come in if, and again the 0 into 1 is 0, again it will not come. Then 2 into 1 is greater than 0. Yes, 2 plus 1 is 2, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So that's the answer is 8, and it will pass all your test cases. So you need to keep in mind, if any row is 0, you need to continue the loop, otherwise you have to break, because you have found the number of laser beams, the multiplication of means how many laser beams can connect to other laser beams. Here three laser beams can connect to two laser beams, so total number of six laser beams. This why you have to calculate the sum.